In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step on how to create a new YouTube channel this year. All right, the setup to the strategy so that your channel is ready to go. Hey future YouTubers, or my small YouTubers, do you want to start a new YouTube channel, or you already have a small YouTube channel and you're looking for great tips on how to build that channel and make it a viral channel? Every steps I'm going to share in this video is very important. If you miss any of them, you miss out a lot. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you is that starting a YouTube channel is not actually hard, but a lot of us makes mistakes from the first day, and that is why you have to watch this video to the end so that you won't make any of these mistakes. Hey, my name is Ruth and welcome to my channel. I am a YouTuber who already owns 2 monetized YouTube channels. I have already learned a lot of things about how to grow YouTube channel from scratch, how to make it go viral. All you need to do is to just hit on that subscribe button, right? Turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss anytime I post a growth hack. Because here we'll talk about everything YouTube growth, social media, success hacks and tips, and then making money online. So if this is what you want to see, what are you waiting for? Hit on that sub button, like this video, comment and tell me what are you facing in your small channel. Let's right into the video of today. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, if you are ready and you have it in mind, oh, I want to start a new YouTube channel, then what you first have to do is to pick a niche. Pick a niche. Just as I mentioned before, that I actually have a channel on the education sector, that is the niche, education niche, and I have another one on the blogging niche. Okay, so you choose a niche of what you want to do. If you are into gaming, you say, okay, your channel is into gaming, you focus on content about gaming. If you're into tech, your channel is into tech, you focus on content about tech. If it's beauty, education, or even lifestyle and vlogs, okay? So you pick something you are passionate about and people are searching for. Don't forget things you are passionate about and you know that people are searching for it, okay? People are searching for it. That's the number one thing you need to do. And now there are some tools you can use to find out things people are searching about. Like you can use your TubeBuddy, or you can use a video queue to check the things people are searching, or even your YouTube search. Yes, you check, oh, this is what I'm going to check for, things that people are searching about under your niche. Okay, and then since you are passionate about this, don't try to appeal everyone. Okay, just do the best. Once you pick a niche, first deliver content on that niche so you have a particular audience you are talking to every time. Okay, not running here and going there tomorrow. Tip number 2 is for you to create a Google account. Create a Google account. I believe that you know how to create a Google account. That's your Gmail. Get a Gmail, right? And I know that you have a Gmail. For you to watch this video, for you to watch me right now, you have a Gmail account. So the next thing you have to do is that you use that Gmail to create a YouTube channel. Now, how do you do this? First of all, head on to YouTube. Head on to your Google Chrome, or if you don't have the YouTube app in your phone, just head on to www.youtube.com so you can see what I'm doing here. www.youtube.com. and once you head on to this youtube.com, you log in with your Gmail. Okay, so look at what I just did now. I log in with my Gmail. Now after logging in with your Gmail, the next thing you have to do is that you click on create channel. Create a channel. The next thing is to type a name, your channel name, how you want people to know you as. So the next one is your handle. Your handle is different. That's what will come with your link. And once you have done that, your channel is officially on YouTube and created. Okay, now the next tip is one of the vital tips you need not to miss. Okay, tips number 3 is for you to brand your channel. Branding your channels help in optimization. It helps your channel to be known there. It's just like a receptionist in an office. It needs to be well dressed, right? It needs to represent the office well, right, to be able to sustain the customers. That is the same thing. So you have to brand your channel. Creating your YouTube channel involves putting a clear profile picture of yours that someone would see. Oh, this is this person, this is this brand. Putting a clear banner that explains what your channel is all about. Why, right? A clear banner. The next thing is your about section. Very important. People miss a lot when it comes to this. Do you know that what you write in your about section is what the YouTube algorithm to understand that this is what your channel is all about, and they will take your videos and be showing it to people who are interested in such kind of content. So imagine if your about section is talking about a different thing while your niche is talking about a different thing. You confuse YouTube at this point and they won't even know what to do. Okay, this person is not serious, let's just leave this person for now. That is how it is. So you have to first get a good about section, and you can do this using ChatGPT. I hope you know ChatGPT. This is what you do. Go to ChatGPT. You see this one here, chatgpt.open.ai. So once you go here, it will bring you this prompt, say ask anything. Can you see this? So you can now ask ChatGPT, I just opened a new YouTube channel and my YouTube channel is about this and this, right? See what I just did. Can you help me write an engaging and SEO friendly description, channel description? And then you send. Now this is going to give you a good breakdown of the channel description. So you can now copy this channel description, customize it, and then with those keywords in it, and then use it as your about section. Okay, so then the next thing is put a clear profile picture. Then go and make your YouTube banner. If you don't know how to create a YouTube banner, so let me know in the comment section, and I am going to make a video on how to do that for you. Okay, so the next tip which people overlook a lot, in fact it's right, that's the tip number 4, which is equipment. Now what happened, a lot of us want to wait until we have luxury equipment to perfections, and you think that's what will make your video viral. No. You can start with your phone, the phone you are using now, and a natural lighting. You can start with this and start creating your content. You don't have to overthink about this equipment gear of a thing. All right, just start with what you have, and later you can upgrade. You can decide to upgrade later to maybe something better, but you can start with your phone. Once you get your phone, get a good mic, a small mic that is good, like maybe there's something like this, a lapel mic. Then you just use your natural lighting if you don't have a ring light. But if you have a ring light, it's good, you can go with a ring light, but you can use your natural lighting and your phone to start shooting your content. The next thing you have to get is your editing tools, because after shooting, after shooting, you have to edit. You can use the free editing tools like CapCut. We all know CapCut. Or you can use InShot, right? These tools can help you edit your YouTube videos, and then you now start your content. All right, so you don't have to wait until you have luxury gadgets before you start. Yes, tip number 6 that we have is which is very important. This is your receptionist. It is your titles and your thumbnails. Your titles and your thumbnails are your first impression. Like, they make it possible for people to ignore. So people to ignore your videos, like they bring that click-through rates for you. You understand me? So you can have to create captivating and engaging thumbnails and titles. Okay, this is very important. So you make sure that you include keywords that your channel is all about, keywords that the video is all about in the title, in the video title. Is very important, and it won't be possible for people to ignore it. Make sure that your thumbnails are bold, make sure that they are readable, make sure that they are just simple but they pass the message you need to pass. Okay, and make sure you include your keywords in your title. Okay, I think Pixel Lab, Canva, Photopea, these platforms can help you create captivating thumbnails. Okay, so all you need to do is to go there and create it. It's for free, except you want to go to the paid version. You can use the free one, like I use the free one. Okay, and then at this point you know that, okay, my thumbnail is ready, my content is ready, and my video is ready. Then you can go to the next stage, which is uploading your first video. Ooh la la. And then finally your channel is launched. But it doesn't end there. There's something important you need to do once you upload your video, and that takes us to the next tip you don't have to miss. Now, once you upload your video, right, you have to do these important things when you're uploading. Number 1, write your title. You see the gap for title. Make sure you put your video title. Then once you are done, go to the description. Make sure it's not too long and it's not too short. Then you go to your description, which is the next one. Write it, describe your video. What is your video all about? Right, describe your video. See, that's why we have ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT since you're a beginner. Go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, I just created a video that is about this, this, and this. Can you help me write a description for my YouTube videos? And it's going to guide you. Yes, you will not do copy and paste, but you have a clue of what to write, and then you use that and put it in your description. And make sure you tell ChatGPT to put SEO keywords, search engine optimization keywords in it, okay? And then you add subtitles. After that, add subtitles. While the video is uploading, make sure add subtitles to it. Go and add your end screen to it and relate other of your videos to that present video. Make sure you use a customized thumbnail. Don't use that suggested thumbnail that maybe they capture some of the scenes of your video and then you want to use that. No, make a customized thumbnail, as I said previously, and use that. Then add your tags, okay? Search engine keywords, add subtitles, end screen, and customized thumbnail, and then your video is ready to move. And YouTube algorithm will tell you welcome and pick your videos and share it to people who need related kind of videos. Now that they have posted your videos, a lot of us will think like, I'm done, everything will just work. My sister, my brother, it is not that way. There is something you still need to do after posting your videos for your videos to move, okay? Maybe go to Reddit as well. You go to Reddit. All you need to do is, you know that once you post it, YouTube will not even send you, understand? Until when they see that people have started engaging on those videos and started watching, then they will start picking it up and sharing it to other people. That's how it is. That's how it is. Don't deceive yourself. So the next thing you have to do is, once you finish posting your videos, setting up all the thumbnails, the titles, and every other thing, now share that your videos to communities. You can go to your Facebook community and share it. You can go to community where they have similar kind of audience and share it. You can just share it on your WhatsApp, but make sure you don't spam, okay? Give value. Then you add your own channel video link in the comment section. Like, just pin your video link in the comment section, and then it's going to move and people will watch and start engaging. And at that point, YouTube will see it and like, okay, this video is actually interesting. That's why people are watching and engaging. Let me take it out there more. That is how it is done. And once you are done with this, your channel is ready to go, okay? Your channel is ready to go. So just try all these tips. That is how you can start a successful YouTube channel ready to grow, right? So are you ready to grow? All you need to do is to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment below what your channel is all about, and I will reply to everyone. Please make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss the next YouTube growth tips that I have. Don't go without hitting on the subscribe button, and make sure you tell me what your channel is all about. What are you facing in your channel, and then I will reply everyone, okay? Thank you very much for watching my videos, and see you in our next video.